Well, hey guys, welcome back to my shop. My name is Dema, and in this episode, I'm going to show you how I built my leg vise for my workbench. So as I get more into hand-cut dovetails and hand-cut joinery, I really needed some type of a vise to clamp work down with. What I did before is I used kind of one of those bar clamps, and I clamped it down to the side of my workbench, and that really doesn't work out as well. It really takes a long time, and I could never really get the wood perfectly clamped down in there and straight. So a vise is really the way to go. The whole thing cost me about 25 bucks to make, and that's mainly because I didn't really have to pay for the wood. This is some scrap pieces I had laying around. The only thing I bought was a screw and the wheels and the washers that I used for this keeper piece. Now, the screw that I used is actually pretty simple. I got the idea from Heisz. About a year ago, he posted a video on his wooden vise that he used a scaffold leveling screw. So I thought, why not use that same idea for a leg vise? And it worked out really well. And I got a link down in the description to that video so you can check that out as well. So hang around if you want to see how I did it. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed the video and you found it useful, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you get any additional questions about this vise or any of my previous videos. Feel free in the comments area. And if you're not yet a subscriber, I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button so you can get future notifications of any new content that I release. Well, have fun in the shop, but be safe doing it. See you guys next time.